Hello children, how are you doing? I hope you all are good. Welcome you all to the session. For the last few weeks, we were discussing the Python theory. Now, let's talk about the practical portions of Python. We need the software Python for doing the practicals. If you have the facility to download the Python software from the net, download it for doing the practical sessions. It is downloadable from the site www.python.org. You have to choose the version of Python from Python 3.6.x onwards. Now, let's begin our session Python Practical 1. Let's start the practical sessions of Python programming language. First step to open the Python editor is click on the Start button, then click on All Programs. From this you can choose Python 3.6, then select ideally Python 3.6, 32-bit. Then you will get like this window, that is Python 3.6.4 shell. Okay, then how to use the script mode? We already discussed about that. For that, you have to click on this file menu, then choose the new file option. Then you can see like this window, untitled window. Okay, clear? First program, that is create a pandas series from a dictionary of values and an ND array. Okay. First record question. Create a pandas series from a dictionary of values and an ND array. First one, pandas series from an ND array. I used here this hash symbol, that is the statement is a comment statement. Comment statements are not executed by the interpreter of this Python programming language. Okay. Then next statement, import pandas as PD, import numpy as NP. We have to import the pandas library and numpy library to our program by using these two statements. Import pandas as PD, import numpy as NP. Numpy for array, pandas for series. Then S is equal to, S is the series object. PD dot series, within this parenthesis I specified NP dot array. Then I used here the array values 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 4. Okay. Then print pandas series from an ND array. Print pandas series from an ND array. Okay. Next statement, print S. S is the series object. We use the array for creating pandas series from the array. Clear? The next one, pandas series from a dictionary of values. From a dictionary of values, we have to create the pandas series. For that, we have to create the dictionary first, that is DIC1 is equal to key value pair. Dictionary is a key value pair. So, this A is the key, 10 is the value. B is the key, 20 is the value. C is the key, 30 is the value. Created one dictionary, that is DIC1. Then I passed this dictionary to the series object, series function. That is D1 is equal to PD dot series DIC1. Print pandas series from a dictionary of values. Print D1. Okay, after scripting your code, you have to save your file. For that, click on this file menu, save option. Here, this program I already served, that is why like this window. Then you can use this save as for saving in another name. Click on the save as, then record 1 dot py. Record 1 dot py. Py is the extension of this Python program. So you must give the extension while saving your file, Python file dot py. Then click on this save button. We saved the file. After that, we have to run our program. We have to execute our program. For that, you can choose the run menu. From that, you can choose run module, or directly you can press F5 key. Okay, click on this run module. Then you can see the output as like this: pandas series from an ND array. That is, these all are indexes, these all are values. 0th index 1 is the value, first index 3 is the value, second index 5 is the value, third index 7 is the value, fourth index 9 is the value, fifth index 4 is the value. Okay, clear? Then dtype int 32. Then we created the dictionary. From that dictionary, we created the pandas series. Then we can see the index as A, B, C, that is keys. Then 10, 20, 30. These all are values from this series. Then we can see the dtype also, that is int 64. Clear? Next question. To show the attributes of series. Create a Python program to show the attributes of series. The attributes of series are values, index, size, n bytes, empty, has NANS, dtype. These are the attributes of series object. For that, we can use this pandas library. We can import the pandas library. For that, we can use this syntax or statement: import pandas as pd, import numpy as np. S1 is equal to pd.series. Within this parenthesis, within the square bracket, I specified the values: 5.5, 6.2, 6.7, 7.2, 8.5. Clear? Then print values of the series S1. We need the values. For that, we can use the syntax S1 dot values. Then second one, print index of the series S1. That is S1 dot index. Third one, size of the series S1, S1 dot size. Print number of bytes in S1, S1 dot n bytes. Print check for emptiness in S1, S1 dot empty. Print check for NANS, not a numbers, in S1, S1 dot has NANS. Print dtype of the object. For that, we can use this dtype attribute, that is S1 dot dtype. We can execute this program. Run module. Check this one. Values of series S1. These all values we can see. Then index of the series S1. Range index. Start equal to 0. Stop equal to 5. Step equal to 1. Isn't it? Yes. Size of the series S1 is 5. Only 5 elements. Number of bytes in S1 40. That is size of the series into 8. 5 into 8. That is 40. Check for emptiness in S1. Any empty values are there? No. So that is false. Check for NaNs in S1. Any NaN values are there? No. So false. D type of the object, float 64. Clear? Clear this one? Those who have the facility to do the practical sessions can do at home. Write down the programs in your rough record. Try to develop your own programs also. That's all for today. We will meet in the next class with the next practical sessions. Till then, take care. Bye.